What's up, me guys, and welcome back to Olauzu TV. And in today's video, I'll be teaching how you could earn 7,000 daily with your smartphone through affiliate marketing in Nigeria. So, if you have been looking for a way to earn some extra cash on the side, then this video is for you because I'll be walking you through the affiliate marketing method I use in making massive sales for myself. So, make sure you watch the video to the end if you're really serious about making money online. So how I basically made the money you guys are seeing right here on my screen is through affiliate marketing. And for those of you who would not know what affiliate marketing is a simple and effective way to earn passive income online. It works by promoting other people's products or services, and then from there you earn a commission from every single sales made through your referral. So in this video, basically I'm going to be walking you through all my affiliate marketing strategies and methods that I use in making some six figures for myself with affiliate marketing. So I advise you watch the video to the end because I'm gonna be basically teaching you guys step by step how you could literally run affiliate marketing to start making massive sales for yourself. So right now we're going to be picking a product we want to sell. So this is the product we're going to be making money off it. So by the way, there are various ways, there are various methods you could literally pick a product with affiliate marketing. So right now I'm going to be focusing on affiliate marketing for Nigeria. So I'm going to be focusing on the affiliate marketing program that works right here in Nigeria. So the first thing you need to do right here is to head over to your Chrome browser right now and type in Jumia affiliate marketing or Konga affiliate marketing, because these are the two affiliate marketing program right here that's gonna pay you in naira, they're gonna pay you straight into your bank account. And by the way, this platform also works anywhere in Africa. If you're in Ghana, Kenya, Togo, whatever country you are in Africa, this platform is also gonna work. So all you need right now is to choose any of these affiliate marketing program and sign up on them, create an account on each of any of the platforms. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be focusing on Konga affiliate marketing. So right now I'm going to be signing up and creating an account. And by the way, I already have an account before, but right now for the purpose of the tutorial, I'm going to be creating a new account. So all you need right now is to click on this menu bar right here. Once you're already on the website, they're going to ask you to fill out your information. That is your first name, username, your email address. They are going to ask you to create a password for yourself. So once you're done with that, they're going to send you a verification code to your email. All you need right now is to literally verify your account, and once you're done verify your account is going to be up and running. So right now we're going to be moving up to the step 3 of this video. So I'm going to assume you guys already created an account, so it's not time for you right now to grab your affiliate marketing links and start promoting. So this is where the work's coming. So guys, I want you guys to please stay focused right now. If you know you are really serious about making money online, please pay close attention to this. So one thing I'm going to advise you is go over to the official page, which is konga.com. So once you're on the official page, you're going to see a lot of products to promote you. All you need right now is go over to the categories. You're going to see different kind of categories of products you can actually promote. So this is when you're going to start calculating, because right now you need to niche down. You need to know the kind of target audience you want to promote. You need to know the kind of product you want to promote. And by the way, there are different kind of products on here. So you can literally promote beauty categories. You could try to go with the health and fitness categories. You could try to go with the gadget category, which is the phone accessory and whatever. So this is where you need to pick the kind of product you want to promote. So for example, if you know you want to promote shoes, you could promote shoes. If you know you want to promote bag, you're going to be promoting bag. If you know you want to promote the beauties and categories, which is the creams and all of that, you could literally promote all these goods and services. And one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is, once you are promoting a product, you need to make sure the product you are promoting is hot right here on demand. So it's hot in the market. It's something people really interested in, something people are really interested in. Like for example, you know, people cannot do without shoes, people cannot do without shoes, people cannot do without clothes, people cannot do without cream, people cannot do without gadget, which is the phones and laptop. And by the way, so you need to figure out the kind of product you know people cannot do without. So this is when you need to niche down. You need to know the kind of target audience that are literally interested in the product you are promoting. So you need to know their age range. Is it someone that is between the age of 18 to 20? Is it someone that is between the age of 30 to 40? So you need to know their age range. You need to know their interests, and all you need right now is to get a pen and paper, a book or pen, and analyze everything about your target audience. And by the way, if you are getting early value from the video, make sure you subscribe to the video, like the video, join our WhatsApp community group down in the description if you know you're really getting a lot of value from the video. So this is when you're going to be really seeing success in your affiliate marketing. A lot of people just jump into affiliate marketing without knowing their target audience. That is the reason why many people fail with affiliate marketing, because you need to analyze your target audience. You need to know the kind of audience you are promoting to. You need to know the kind of product you are promoting. So that is the reason why a lot of people failed with affiliate marketing. So you can't just get your affiliate marketing links and start spamming the link all over the place, choking people with your affiliate marketing links. This is not going to work. Affiliate marketing is not done that way. Another way you could also be successful with affiliate marketing is if you know the kind of product you are promoting. If you know the product you are promoting is something you really have interest in, if it's something you have really test out yourself. So what I mean by this is, for example, if I'm a consumer right now and maybe I said I want to start promoting a cream, maybe I'm promoting a Nivea cream or whatever. So I know I use Nivea, I know the importance of Nivea, I know everything about Nivea because it's something I use personally, because this is going to make it easy for you to be able to market this product to people, and from there you're going to be making a lot of sales. So right now I'm going to be going with the beauty category because I know it's something that is richly hot right here in the market. A lot of us cannot do without cream. Everybody uses cream on a daily basis, both male or female. So right now on this platform I'm going to be finding the kind of cream I normally use. So I'm going to be searching for the kind of cream I normally use at home. So right now you can see right here, this is the kind of cream I use. You can see right here, this is the name of the cream I literally use personally, and I know a lot of things about this cream. So that's the reason why I told you guys at the beginning of this video is to pick a product you know you are familiar with. It's something, pick a product you know it's something that you have tried, something that you have used yourself. This is going to give you a lot more opportunity for you to be able to make massive sales with this program. So right now I'm going to be focusing on the female. I'm going to be focusing more on the female because they are my right target audience, and the reason I'm targeting the female is because a lot of females out there, a lot of girls out there want to look good. They want their skin to look good, they want their skin to look fresh and nice. So that's the reason I'm going to be targeting the female right now. So I'm going to be grabbing my affiliate link. So I'm going to assume you guys already created an account, and once you're done creating an account, I'm going to give you your affiliate marketing link. So I'll be grabbing my affiliate marketing right now. So once I grab my affiliate link, it's not time for me to promote. So how I'm going to be promoting this product right now is for you to start creating content, because right now content is king. You need to start creating content. So you could try to create an Instagram page, or you create a YouTube channel, or you create a Facebook page. So you need to create a Facebook page about the kind of product you are promoting. So for right now, for the purpose of the video, I'm going to be creating an Instagram page that is all about beauties and skincare. So that's what I'm going to be doing right here on the channel. So I'm going to be creating videos back to back. So guys, don't just create one videos and just go to sleep. I think I'm going to start making a lot of sales with affiliate marketing. So once you start creating videos, you're going to be telling people about the kind of cream. So you could tell them this cream is good. That once they use their cream, they're gonna see changes in their skin. So you need to put the link to your that is the link to your affiliate marketing in your bio, that is on your Instagram bio. So you need to start creating at least 10 videos a day. You need to start creating multiple videos for you to start making sales. And by the way, if you can also create a YouTube channel right here promoting the same thing on your YouTube channel. Then you could literally put your affiliate links down in the description. Like I said, if you're getting any value from the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, drop me a comment in case you want to ask me any question, and I'm gonna be replying to all your don't just create one videos and go to sleep. You need to start creating multiple videos back to back, backing up what you are promoting. So I could show you, if you could create like clicks like 50 like to 100 videos, you are going to be making massive sales, because one day your video could decide to blow up on YouTube or TikTok. So let's just assume you are able to like get let's just say you are able to get like 10,000 or 1 million views on a particular video, and I'm promoting a cream worth of 3,100 naira. So let's assume one of my video blow up and it got like 10,000 views. So we're going to be doing 10% of 10,000. So 10% of 10,000 is going to be 1,000, and on this platform, once I make a single sale, they're going to be giving me 8% on the sales. And let's just assume I'm promoting a product of 3,100 naira. So basically I'm going to be getting 284 naira per one single sale. And let's just say 1,000 people bought the product through that 10,000 views we got. So we're going to be times 284 naira times 1,000 views, it's gonna be 284,000. So one video could basically make you this huge amount of money. That's the reason why I say you guys should just get one of your videos to top the chart, to pop, and you're gonna be making massive sales. Like I said, if you're getting any value from the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and by the way, if you have any questions, go down to the comment section and drop your comments. I'll be answering all your questions. Like I said, guys, if you know you want to support me, you could literally buy me a coffee. The link is gonna be down in the description, so you could go check out the link in the description. So if you still want to know more ways you could literally make money online, you could check out the video right here, pop right here on your screen. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Ace here.